Hi guys, the first tip is to wear a belt because I think it makes your outfit look more interesting, and yeah. The second tip is to tuck in your shirt because, like, really, how are you going to see your belt if you don't show it off by tucking it in? But if you don't like how it looks tucked in, then you should probably tie it in the front because this really makes your waist more defined. When you're picking out your shoes, it depends what kind of outfit you're going for, so these shoes can either dress up or dress down your outfit depending on what you want. If you want something more casual, I highly recommend some Vans. Now if you want something more dressy, I think you should have booties in your closet. And now if you want something kind of in the middle, I think you should get some boots. When you're picking out your jewelry, it's pretty much like the same thing when you're picking out your shoes. It depends on what kind of outfit you're going for. So this can be kind of casual. This necklace can be a little bit more dressier if you want it to be. You could even layer it, but I don't really like how it looked in this clip. Also, to add more spice to your outfit, you could put on some bracelets, and even your bracelets can dress up your outfit. So be careful when you pick out your bracelets too. Add a watch, you know, whatever. And you can add some rings to really make it pop. Honestly, scrunchies are pretty much like jewelry. I should have just put it with the jewelry, but you can put them on your wrist and then you can put them on your bun. It just makes it look cuter. If you're not feeling like wearing anything special, I recommend just putting on a light jacket. And if you want to spice up your outfit a little bit more, I think you should put on a cardigan, but I just didn't really like how this cardigan looked with the size of this sweater. This coat would be kind of in the middle of being dressy and casual depending on what kind of shoes and what other accessories you have. This outfit was already good, but I just added a pink sweater because I think it made the outfit pop, and I think the outfit was a little bit too dark. And after that, I added a red belt just to make the rose out of the shirt stand out more. Some other things that I think will help your outfit is maybe like a bralette. I don't really have any of those, but I think they're really cute. And also like high-waisted jeans, because I think it just makes your waist look like more slimmer, you know, it just makes you look better. And also doing your hair, because I don't know, when you do your hair it kind of completes the outfit. Not in this clip though, but yeah. Hi guys, thank you for making it to the end of the video. And my last tip is to just look confident. And if you're not wearing something that you feel confident in, then don't wear it. Because if you're confident and you know you rock that look, you're going to look 10 times better than the outfit already is. But if you're just sad and you're not, you know, liking your outfit and you're not feeling yourself, then you're just not going to look good. So please do that, and that's my last tip that I'm going to share. And I hope this helped you. I hope this helped you in any sort of way, and I'll see you on Sunday.